Hi, this is Burhan from Feedbird, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Feedbird for your personal and your organization's LinkedIn account. Sign up process is simple. You can simply sign up using your Google or your LinkedIn account, or you can sign up with your email as well. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected towards the dashboard. Here you have options of new post, calendar view to check out your scheduled posts, social accounts, and your previous LinkedIn posts. You can create a new post by selecting your LinkedIn profile. You can add your own text, or you can generate a new post using Feedbird's AI generator. Here you have options of adding prompt and your hook and your city. By clicking on generate post, your post will be generated. You can further improve it by adding your text input here. Once it's done, you can use this post to proceed further. You can add your emojis, your media, and the most prominent feature of Feedbird, post analytics. What it actually does is it analyzes your content, and based on that analysis, it provides you feedback to improve your post. Here you can see post strength score, the briefness of your post, and the boldness in your post. We have got hashtags, engagement suggestion, and post. You can schedule your post from here. Here it's showing you your best time to post. You can simply schedule it by selecting your date and your preferred time. How your post is scheduled. You can click on calendar view to check out your previous scheduled post or your new scheduled post, and you can add social accounts from here, or you can check out your LinkedIn post data from here. Here you have option of also repurposing your previous posts. For further explanation, you can check out the Feedbird's YouTube channel, where we will be posting a detailed explanation of each feature.